Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And we would be also sharing with you a few of the remote jobs. So Hiteshi Infotech is currently hiring for multiple positions. So they are looking for QA trainee, operations associate, GIS specialist, project coordinator, and you can apply to this particular email address. And you also need to mention the position for which you are applying in the subject line. Then there's a remote job opportunity for testers. So automation as well as functional testing. So 10 positions totally are there. And this is totally work from home remote job opportunity. Then the requirement is within the Bangalore for the role of QA. The experience is 2 to 4 years and the location would be Bangalore and it is work from office and you need to send your resume to this email address. Then there is a requirement for QA engineer, manual plus automation, and they are looking for hybrid, and the email addresses for sending the resume have been shared here. Then programming.com is also hiring for testers. So they are hiring for performance testers, 4+ years. Location is Hyderabad, and functional testers. Again, location is Hyderabad, both 4+ years of experience. So you need to share your CVs to this email address. Then there is an opening for estate senior engineer for Gurugram location, and they are looking for the testers for an experience of 5 to 8 years, someone who is having knowledge, skill set of Java programming, Selenium, REST Assured, SQL. Work mode would be hybrid, 3 to 4 days from office. Shift timings would be 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And this is the email address wherein you need to apply. Then there is a requirement for estate Java Selenium. The work experience is 8 to 12 years and the location is Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and this is the email address wherein you need to apply. There is a requirement for interns who can join the DevOps team. So you can send your resume at this email address for the internship role. Then there are multiple requirements at Henceforth Solutions Private Limited. They are looking for QA, UI, UX, Node.js developer. So for QA, they are looking for 3 years of experience. And you can WhatsApp at this number, or you can also send your resume to this particular email address. Then Digitech Infotech is hiring for QA with 1 year of experience. And Hero Motocorp is also hiring for QA specialist engineer, 2+ years of experience in software QA. And they are looking for someone who is having expertise in QA methodologies, tools, and processes. As of now, they haven't given anything related to automation. So looks like this is a functional testing role, and you can send your resume to this email address. Then Nagaro is looking for automation test engineers, experience 5 to 8 years, and this is the email address wherein you need to apply. So these were a few of the job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates.